Oh, hi there! Today I'll be installing a wireless phone charger on the RT. And as most of you probably know, BMW has an option of a wireless charger in the front storage compartment, but unfortunately my phone doesn't fit into that box. The OEM wireless charger is over here. Average sized phone with damaged screen does not lay flat in there. And as you might have noticed before, I do like using the Quadlock phone mount. I do have a case for them and quite a few mounts across my vehicles and motorcycles. So I've decided to give their wireless charger a try. So that's what I'll be installing today. And because I don't like splicing wires on the motorcycle, I had to find a neat solution for the power source. Luckily, on the RTs that have no navigation unit, BMW left one switched power output, and a few dollars on eBay can get you a power connector that you can just plug into that port. To find the stock power connector, put your bike on the center stand, turn handlebar all the way to the right, and in this opening down here, you'll see a plastic connector zip tied to some mount. So just carefully undo the zip tie. That should free up the connector and you can just plug into it. And this is how it should look like. This is as far as it goes. The OEM connector has 3 wires coming in, red, green, and brown in my case. Green wire is the signal wire for nav unit that we are not going to be using. The red one is positive and brown one is negative. But if you're doing this installation, please double check polarity on your bike. Rough wiring is done. I used hitch shrink. Looks nice and clean. I've tested it. It works. So next step is just to mount the bar extender. We start with removing one screw over here. I was trying to find online what the torque value is supposed to be on this bolt, but I couldn't. The new one will be installed. I'll torque it by the feel. It's holding quite well. The idea is, that's how it will kind of look. Next, I'll clean up the wire routing and I'll test ride it tomorrow in the morning.
Well, and here's the charger in action. This morning I rode for about an hour using this map streaming through BMW app and listening to music, and my phone stayed at 100% charged all the time, so it's definitely working. Keep in mind that Quadlock sells 2 versions of this charger, 10 watt and 15 watt. Mine is 15 watt model. 10 watt model might have different performance. All the Quadlock mounts that you see across my bikes, I buy for my own money. I do really like the product. You get a Quadlock phone case, and then you can easily mount it on your motorcycle, dirt bike, mountain bike, whatever. Super convenient, so I highly recommend them. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and keep on riding.